Hello YouTube, this is Connor with a 3 and a 4 and a 9 and a 7. Normally I don't say that, but today's special day, so yeah. About a week ago, or maybe a bit more, I ordered a Ultrafire 1800 lumen torch for £7.50 off Amazon.co.uk. What can I say? It's a bit bright, as one word, but yeah. If you shine a torch now in the standard light, you don't really see much. It's pretty pathetic and all that stuff. This torch will work in day, night, fog, mist, anything. And I'll show you this now, but first I'll show you what it arrives in. You get this little white box here, which was opened by Chinese customs, checking for bombs and all that shit. Anyway, okay, so you get the Ultrafire 3.7 volt battery. Also, with this torch, that is rechargeable. I'm guessing you'd have to, if you haven't got a charger, you'd have to buy one. Probably cheap enough on eBay or the internet, or a local battery or hardware store should sell these. Okay, so you also get the torch's official battery holder. I've put some rechargeable batteries in there, some 600 mAh rechargeable AAAs. You don't get them standard, you just get an empty carrier, so this will be the only thing standard to work your torch. So as that is the case, I'm going to use that. Okay. So basically, at the bottom of the torch you have the spring, of course, but don't think you got to put, put the positive in first, because normally it's negative, but weirdly you put positive in first, and then just screw on the cap. And this torch has multiple settings. It has, you can change the beam, you can have SOS, and whatnot. So over there is the door, as you can see. It's a very powerful torch. Okay. That's one mode. You turn it on, click it again. That's another mode. That's a bit more dipped. And you have even more dipped right there, but still very bright. Brighter than most of the torches in my house on this mode, in fact. You have flashing mode, probably to stun someone, I don't know, maybe a self-defense thing, or something like that, or maybe a road flare kind of thing, I don't know, whatever you want to use it for. This is a great torch for the authorities, definitely, or mountain climbers, or just the everyday person like me. You have SOS, if you want to tell me if this is the official SOS code, then leave a comment below, but I think it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, as you can see that SOS right there. Yeah, so after clicking that, the process just restarts. Now, at the top here, just unscrew, as if you are unscrewing the lid, and then just hit your torch again for a more direct beam. This is more long range beam, I'm guessing. I can even see the beam now. Okay, then you click it again and it dips, etc. Flash, SOS, long range. Okay, so with the torch just on standard, we're going to retract the beam, show you how it changes. So yeah, I really do recommend this torch. It's quite heavy and feels robust enough, but it's going to be well looked after. For £7.50 you've got yourself a bargain, really, considering, like I said earlier, most torches for this price aren't very good quality. I'll show you another crappy torch. Don't contain batteries. That's a light bulb version torch, and that can zoom in and zoom out. Not even near the same quality wavelength as what this is. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any more questions about this torch, please comment down below. I've tried to keep it as simple and as easy to understand as possible, with some comedy shit involved as well. Thanks for watching, and see you later, maybe.